What's up, y'all? Good morning. It's your girl Keela, and I'm back with another morning motivational speech. Period. So I don't know who needs to hear this, but I'm gonna say it. You guys, us, we need to stop allowing things that are out of our control, that we can't change, that we can't manipulate. We need to stop letting those things affect our day-to-day living, okay? And we need to stop letting other people's bullshit affect our day-to-day living. We need to stop comparing ourselves to each other and just do what it is that we are destined to do and be great. Focus on you, what you love, what makes you you, and that's what you pursue. Stop letting other people's business and lifestyle distract you from your own lifestyle and your own blessings. You will block your blessings by only paying attention to other people's blessings. When you're so busy looking at other people's stuff, you miss out on your own stuff. So y'all stop letting things that you can't change affect you daily. It is not worth it. What's for you is going to always be for you. And if it didn't happen the way you planned, then it just means that it wasn't supposed to. Okay? Love you guys. See y'all in the next one.